Yes. See these questions carefully. Firstly, 32 raised to power minus 3 and raised to power 1 by 5. There are two powers, power की power. When there are two powers, first step, multiply power into power. Minus 3 multiply by 1 over 5. It will become 32 raised to power 3 ones the 3 and over 5. And here it is minus. So it will become minus 3 over 5. Now we have to make factors of 32. 32 can be written as 2, 2 is the 4, 2 is the 8, 2 is the 16, 2 is the 32 and power is minus 3 over 5. How many times 2 is written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 2 raised to power 5 and outside power is minus 3 over 5. 5 and 5 cut. We just left with 2 raised to power minus 3. Now 2 cannot be written minus 3 times. We can write 2 only 3 times. So we have to remove this negative sign. How we can remove negativity of power? By reciprocal of the term. 2 over 1. Only 2 means 2 over 1. So reciprocal of this will be 1 over 2 and minus will be removed. Now it means you have to write 1 by 2. How many times? 3 times. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. It is 1 ones the 1 ones the 1, 2 twos the 4 twos the 8. Now come to next. It is somehow different. Firstly, power is a negative, we will make it positive. Power is negative, we will make it positive. Power is negative, we will make it positive. Here also you can do like this. If power is negative, you can make it positive here only and after that you can make its factors. It's up to you. You want to solve first, then you can make power positive. Now see this. I will make firstly power positive. Reciprocal of the term, not reciprocal of the power. Power will remain same, only minus will be removed by reciprocal of the given term. It will become 25 over 9. Power will 3 over 2. And it will become 5 over 2. Power will only 3. Now we will apply BODMAS. According to BODMAS, firstly we will solve the bracket. In bracket we have two terms that are dividing. Firstly we have to solve the power only. 25 and 9. See Raji, we have to make factors of 25 as well as of 9 because it is the common power of this 25 over 9, or you can say common power of fractional number. 25 can be written as 5 into 5. 9 can be written as 3 into 3 and whole power is 3 over 2. 5, no factors of 5 can be further. 5 is only 5. Again 5 is coming only. So 5 cannot be split. 2 similarly 2 cannot be split. So it will be kept as it is, 5 over 2 raised to power 3. Five how many times return? 2 times. 3 how many times return? 2 times. 2 times 2 times. You have to make same. 2 times both. So common power 2 and outside power is 3 by 2. I clear you this step in rough work. It was 5 into 5, 3 into 3. You can say 5 raised to power 2, 3 raised to power 2. According to law of exponent, if same power is there, you can take power common. So, and divide into, here we will write 5 over 2, how many times? 3 times. 5, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2. This 2 and 2 will cut. Here also I am making 81 can be written as 3 3 is the 9, 3 is the 18, 3 is the 27, 2 2 is the 4, 2 the 8 2 is the 16. Outside power is 3 over 4. Five 5 is the 25, 5 is the 125, 2 2 4 2 is the 8. 3 how many times return? 4 times. 2 how many times return? 4 times. Both are 4 times. So power can take common. 4 and 4 cut, multiply. Here same process. 5 over 3. How many times? 3 times. You have to write it 3 times. 5 5 is the 25. 3 is the, sorry, 5 into 5 into 5. You can write 3 into 3 into 3. This is 3 over 2 raised to power 3 multiply by 5 5 is the 25. 25 5 is the 125 over 8. We cannot divide it in fractions. We cannot divide. We change divide into multiply and reciprocal of this term. It is 27. 3 3 is the 9 3 is the 27. Now see, 125 and 125 cancel out. 3 over 2 you have to write 3 times. 3 over 2, 3 over 2, 3 over 2. Multiply. Here what is left? 8 ones the 8. 27 ones the 27. 3 3 9 3 the 27. 2 2 4 2 is the 8. Multiply 8 over 27. 27 and 27 cut. 8 and 8 cut. Just left with 1. Next question. Firstly, power is in negative. We will make the power in positive. According to BODMAS, solve the bracket first. So bracket, firstly we will make the powers positive. 27 over 1. So reciprocal will be 1 over 27 raised to power 4 over 3 divided by 3. Only 3 means 3 over 1. So reciprocal will be 1 over 3 raised to power 2. And outside power is 1 over 2. Make factors of 27 and 1. 1 you can write how many times you want. 1 into 1 into 1. 3 3 the 9 3 is the 27 and power is 4 over 3. 1 1 into 1 3 cannot be splitted, so it will remain only 1 over 3. 1 over 3 2 times we will write it. Because it can be split further, no factors can made, so we will expand it. How many times we have to write its power is 2, so it means this term, this fraction we have to write 2 times. 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. Now see to this. 1 1 1 3 times, 3 3 3 3 times. So common power is 3 and their power is 4 by 3. 3 and 3 cut, divide by 1 1 is the 1, 3 3 is the 9. See here. How many times we have to write 1 by 3? 4 times. Divide we cannot do. What we will do? Multiply and reciprocal of this. Three one the 3, 3 3 is the 9. 3 and 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3. What is left? 1 over this 3 and 3 left. 3 3 is the 9 and power is 1 by 2. Again 1 by 3 into 3. One by 3 raised to power 2 multiply by 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cut. So simple answer is 1 by 3. 9 again split it. 3 into 3. 1 you can write also. You can write 1 into 1. 1 is also written 2 times. 3 is also written 2 times. So common power is 2. Outside power is 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cut. 1 by 3 raised to power 1 means you have to write 1 by 3 only 1 time. So the answer is 1 over 3.